Got this BMW X3 here that I had to do the key in that for. So in here has a Parasitic draw. I opened this box up. I pulled this fuse out right here because they looked like they were like kind of green or water out on it, but it wasn't. And I found some leaves in here because they didn't have all the screws in the box, and only one screw was tightened down. So I don't think there are issues in there. So I came back here. I had the battery charger on it. And this is at 1.1. I'm sorry, 0.11. So it's a 1100 milliamp draw before I did this. So I came under here and I just started pulling fuses to see if it would go down. And I found this fuse right here. Oh, I didn't see the numbers down there. I couldn't figure out what number this was. I'll show you guys that in a second. I couldn't see it before. But if I pull that out, our draw. Well, that's not good. Why is our draw still high? Oh, there it goes. So our draw drops down. It was at 0.01 before, but okay, so it is dropping down. So I gotta see what's on the circuit. So what number is this? Where's those numbers at? Okay, they're hard to see. So we're at 46. So I printed out this diagram. I don't know if this is right. I gotta look to see when this was produced because they have two different production dates for the fuse box. And I didn't look at the production date. I printed out the one for 04 to 05. Let's see, production date 03, 04. So I think that's the right one. So let's see what this fuse 46 goes to. Like I said, I didn't look to see what this goes to, so 46. 46. I don't see 46 on here. I'm gonna see 46. 20 amp. I'm gonna go through here and just look real quick and highlight them because they're probably at multiple spots on here. Okay, guys. So look at that 0.01. So that's perfect now. Now look what our draw is. I finally found it. It took me a little bit. But 46 is our panoramic sunroof. So that was this. I don't know. Is it like stuck? Because we should have solved the heat. Let me put that back in. Put this back in. I just heard the sunroof activate. But we should have probably saw that with the thermal camera. Yeah, I don't know where the module's at though. I would have thought it would be up there. But maybe I'll look up to see where this module's at. Check back here. See, yeah, that's our draw right now with it plugged in. I'll let it stay here for a little bit and show you guys. Okay guys, so I got my N2 Neuron set up here doing the draw so I could look at it from up front. And we're gonna pull down the cover right here. These just pull down and there's our module. So I'm going to bring up our N2 real quick and I'll show you guys what the draw is because it's an app-based tool. Hey guys, so here's our N2 and got the front camera turned on. So I'm gonna hopefully show you guys unplugging this at the same time. I don't know if this is gonna work good or not. We'll see if our draw goes away. Look at that. Look at that. Our draw just tanked. Guess we'll take this other one off and we'll pop this out. I think these modules are expensive. I'm gonna pop this module out. And I think it's warm. See if I can turn our thermal camera on. Let me switch around. So here you go. Here's our draw at the battery. See, 10 milliamps. Perfect. So I hope you guys like this. See you later. See what our thermal camera shows. Oh, look how hot that was. 75 degrees that module was. 77. And the rest of the car is like 66. So You can just see all the heat radiating in there where that module was at. So I'm gonna get that out of here real quick, and then we'll check it, see if there's any signs of corrosion or anything.